Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how to mute chats and call on Snapchat. To get started, let's hop into a Snapchat application. So once you reach on the main screen of Snapchat, you need to tap on the chat icon which is at the bottom left of the screen, and once you get access on your chat page, you need to select the user or the Snapchatter you'd like to mute the chats and call on the Snapchat. After you have selected, you need to tap and hold the Snapchatter's name. On this expanded menu, you can find the chat and notification settings. Tap on it, and on the bottom of the screen you can see notification settings. Tap on it, and here at the notification setting, you need to tap on mute chat, and you can choose the duration you would like to. After you have toggle on that, tap on mute calls button again and choose the duration, and this is how you easily mute the chat and calls of the Snapchatters on the Snapchat. And now you won't get any messages or the calls from that Snapchatters. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.